Tables in HTML. Tables are used to present complex data in a more readable manner in the web page. The data are arranged in the form of rows and columns. In web pages, tables help organize the data and make it easier to read and interpret. Tables allow proper arrangement of each piece of information in the web page, where each cell of the table can contain text, graphics, and links. Thus, tables are a powerful tool for organizing the content of a web page. Creating a table in HTML. For creating tables in HTML, first we need to specify the table structure, including rows and column headings, and then enter the data in table cells. All this can be done with the help of following tags. Table tag. The table tag is used to inform the browser that this is a table. Each table begins with a table tag and ends with /table tag. We can define various attributes of a table in table tag. TR tag. The table contains rows, each begin with the TR, table row tag, and ends with the /tr tag. TD tag. The table data tag specifies an individual block or cells in a table row. By default, the text in the cell is left aligned and vertically centered. To add columns to the table, use the TD and /TD tags. TH tag. The table header tag defines a table header cell and emphasizes the data in boldface. To add headings, boldface, to the table, use TH and /TH tags. Caption tag. This tag is used for defining table headings. To add a caption, heading, title to the table, use caption and /caption tags. Creating a table, output. Attributes of table tag. The table tag has many attributes which appear between the table tag. Let us learn about a few of them. Border. The border attribute assigns the border to the table. If a border attribute is not specified with the table or its value is 0, then no border will be displayed around the table. Syntax. Table border is equal to 5. Border color. The border color attribute assigns the color to the border by specifying the color name. Syntax. Table border color is equal to red. BG color. The BG color attribute assigns the background color of different parts of a table. We can change the background color of an entire table, a single row, or an individual cell depending on where we specify this attribute. Syntax. Table BG color is equal to yellow. Applying border, border color, and BG color attributes, output. Align. The align attribute specifies the alignment of the table across the width of page. By default, a table is left aligned. The alignment can be set to left, center, or right. Syntax. Table align is equal to center. Height and width. The height and width attribute specifies the height or width of the table either by specifying the size in absolute pixel or by specifying a relative percentage of the screen size. Syntax. Table border is equal to 5, height is equal to 300, width is equal to 400. Applying align, height and width attributes, output. Cell padding. The cell padding attribute sets the margins within a cell. It sets the amount of space in between the cell border and the cell data. The value of this attribute is indicated in pixel. Syntax. Table cell padding is equal to 8. Applying cell padding attribute, output. Cell spacing. The cell spacing attribute is used to set the minimum distance between two adjacent cells. Cell spacing is also measured in pixel. Syntax. Table cell spacing is equal to 8. Applying cell spacing attribute, output. Attributes of TR, TD, and TH tags. There are many attributes of TR, TD, and TH tags. Let us understand a few of them. BG color. The BG color attribute specifies the background color of a row or a data cell. Syntax. TR BG color is equal to green. Border color. The border color attribute specifies the border color of a row or a data cell. Syntax: tr border color is equal to red. Applying bg color and border color attribute. Output. Align. The align attribute specifies the horizontal alignment of the text within a cell. The value of this attribute can be left, right, or center. Syntax: tr align is equal to center. V-align. The V-align attribute sets the vertical alignment of data in a column. The data can be set to top, middle, or bottom. Syntax: td V-align is equal to top. Applying align and V-align attribute. Output. Row span. The row span attribute is used to combine cells vertically. It merges the number of cells vertically and shows them as single cell. Syntax: td row span is equal to 4. Col span. The col span attribute is used to combine cells horizontally. It specifies the number of columns that the cell spans across and shows them as a single cell. Syntax: td col span is equal to 4. Applying col span and row span attribute. Output. Summing up. A list is a sequence of text, each of which is preceded by a special symbol or sequence of numbers. A list can be ordered, unordered, and definition. In HTML, the individual list items can be represented using the li tag. The type attribute specifies the type of bullet used to mark items in a list. A definition list is a list of terms with a description of each term. Tables in web pages help organize the data and make it easier to read and interpret. Tables are created using the table tag in an HTML document. The main attributes of table are border, border color, bg color, align, cell padding, cell spacing, height, and width. The main attributes of tr, td, and th tags are bg color, align, v-align, col span, and row span.